So let's create a code on how to convert any video file to a MP3 file with just 5 lines of Python code. And also join our Telegram channel for more content. Link will be given in the description below. So without any further delay, let's start today's video. Hey guys, welcome back to your Tech Hub channel, and today we will show how to convert any video file to MP3 file with just 5 lines of code. Before that, do check our previous videos and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. So, for this we have to import a package called Wifi Editor. It will help us to convert the video file to an audio file. Then create a variable video and store the path of the file where it is located in your system. Type Wifi Editor.video file. Click and give the path of the file here. Next, audio equals video.audio. Now we have to give the name for the MP3 file. Audio.write audio file and give the MP3 file name which you want to give, like we will give test.mp3. Now our code is ready and let's run the code and see if it works or not. As you can see, it starts converting the video file to MP3 file. Wait for the conversion of the file from video to audio. After it is completed, it will be saved as test.mp3 here. As you can see, file is created. Now, for playing the audio file, go to the folder where all your projects are saved. There you can find this MP3 file and play it, or you can also give the path where you want to save it. You can find the source code of the program in the description below. So if you guys like the video, do like, comment and subscribe for more amazing videos. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, link is in the description. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.